Have you ever looked at a beautifully crafted item and wished you could make something similar? Many people believe that crafting is only for the very patient or skilled. This is simply not true. DIY is a journey that anyone can embark on. Whether you're a complete beginner or have dabbled in crafts before, this essay will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to embrace your inner maker. Get ready to discover the joy of transforming ordinary materials into extraordinary creations. DIY is more than just following instructions. It's about tapping into your creativity, problem-solving skills, and expressing your unique style. You don't need fancy equipment or years of experience to get started. With a few basic tools and a dash of enthusiasm, you can create beautiful, personalized items that bring joy to your life and the lives of those around you. So, gather your supplies, clear a space, and let's embark on this exciting DIY adventure together. Engaging in DIY activities offers a wealth of benefits that extend far beyond the tangible creations themselves. Crafting provides a therapeutic outlet for stress relief. The act of focusing on a creative task allows your mind to unwind, quieting racing thoughts and promoting a sense of calm. Completing a project, no matter how small, instills a sense of accomplishment and self-efficacy. This newfound confidence often spills over into other areas of life, empowering you to tackle new challenges with a positive mindset. DIY is also an excellent way to foster mindfulness and presence. As you immerse yourself in a project, your attention shifts to the present moment. Embrace the journey, savor each step, and allow yourself to find joy in the act of making. Our first project focuses on the art of upcycling, transforming discarded items into stylish and functional creations. This eco-friendly approach to DIY not only reduces waste but also allows you to create one-of-a-kind pieces with character and charm. For this project, we'll be giving new life to old glass jars, transforming them into beautiful storage containers or decorative vases. Materials: empty glass jars, various sizes, sandpaper, acrylic paint, paintbrushes, twine or ribbon, optional, decorative elements, buttons, beads, lace, etc. Instructions: 1. Prepare the jars. Clean the jars thoroughly, removing any labels or adhesive residue. Use sandpaper to smooth out any rough edges. 2. Apply base coat. Choose your desired paint color and apply an even base coat to the jars. Allow the paint to dry completely. 3. Get creative. Add stripes, polka dots, or freehand designs using different paint colors. Consider using stencils for intricate patterns. 4. Finishing touches. Once the paint is dry, wrap twine or ribbon around the neck of the jar for a rustic touch. Attach buttons, beads, or lace for added embellishment. Fill your upcycled jars with potpourri, candles, or use them as organizers for your craft supplies. Having the right tools can make your DIY endeavors smoother and more enjoyable. While specialized tools can be acquired gradually, there are a few essential tools that every beginner should have in their crafting arsenal. First on the list is a good pair of scissors. Look for sharp, comfortable scissors that can handle both delicate materials like fabric and thicker materials like cardboard. A craft knife with a retractable blade is another indispensable tool. Use it for precision cutting, scoring, and trimming. A ruler and measuring tape are essential for accurate measurements and marking. A bone folder, while seemingly simple, is a crafting must-have. Use it to crease folds sharply, smooth out wrinkles, and burnish edges. Finally, a glue gun is your go-to tool for bonding various materials quickly and securely. Choose a glue gun with adjustable temperature settings for different types of glue sticks. Remember to exercise caution when using hot glue as it can cause burns. Let's bring the great outdoors into your creations with this easy and enchanting leaf art project. Celebrate the beauty of nature by capturing the vibrant colors and intricate patterns of fallen leaves. This project is perfect for all ages and is a wonderful way to connect with the natural world. Materials needed include fallen leaves of various shapes and colors, heavy paper or cardstock, Mod Podge or white glue, a paintbrush, and optionally, a frame. Instructions. First, gather your leaves. Collect fallen leaves from your backyard or a nearby park, looking for leaves that are relatively flat and free from tears. Next, press the leaves by placing them between sheets of parchment paper or wax paper, and weighting them down with heavy books. Allow the leaves to dry and flatten for several days. Once the leaves are dry, arrange them on your paper or cardstock to create your desired design. You can overlap the leaves or leave space between them for a more minimalist look. Then, use a paintbrush to apply a thin layer of Mod Podge or white glue to the back of each leaf and carefully press them onto the paper, smoothing out any air bubbles. Finally, once the glue is dry, apply a final coat of Mod Podge over the entire surface to seal and protect your leaf art. Allow it to dry completely. Frame your masterpiece for a polished look. Every DIY enthusiast, from novice to expert, encounters occasional challenges along the way. But don't let minor setbacks dampen your creative spirit. Instead, view them as opportunities for learning and growth. Here are a few common DIY dilemmas and practical tips to help you overcome them. Glue mishaps. For wet glue, try using a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol to gently remove the excess. If the glue has dried, carefully scrape it off with a plastic scraper or your fingernail. Uneven paint. Use thin coats of paint, allowing each coat to dry completely before applying the next. If you're painting a large surface, use a paint roller for a more consistent finish. Wrinkled paper. To smooth out wrinkles, place a clean sheet of parchment paper over the wrinkled area and gently iron over it on a low setting. Broken zipper. Use pliers to carefully remove the top of the zipper slider. Thread the zipper back onto the tracks and reattach the slider. Test the zipper to ensure it glides smoothly. Remember, every challenge is a chance to improve your skills. Infuse your living space with personality and charm by creating customized decor that reflects your unique style. This project allows you to transform plain, store-bought items into personalized accents that add a touch of warmth and individuality to your home. We'll be decorating plain canvas tote bags, turning them into stylish storage solutions or statement pieces. Materials: plain canvas tote bags, fabric paint or markers, stencils, optional, paintbrushes or sponges, and an iron for heat-set paints. Instructions: first, prepare your canvas. Wash and iron the tote bags to remove any wrinkles or creases. Insert a piece of cardboard inside the bag to prevent the paint from bleeding through. Next, choose your design. Select a design that reflects your personality or complements your home decor. You can freehand your design, use stencils, or even iron-on transfers. Then apply the paint. If using fabric paint, pour a small amount onto a palette or plate. Dip your paintbrush or sponge into the paint and apply it to the tote bag according to your chosen design. Heat set the paint if necessary. Some fabric paints require heat setting to make them permanent. Check the manufacturer's instructions for specific details. Finally, let it dry. Allow the paint to dry completely before using or washing the tote bag. Tips: use masking tape to create clean, sharp lines when painting stripes or geometric patterns. Layer different colors of fabric paint to create depth and dimension. Embellish your tote bags with embroidery, beads, or fabric scraps for a unique touch. Enjoy your personalized decor. As you gain confidence and experience with basic DIY projects, you might find yourself eager to expand your skill set and tackle more challenging creations. Here are a few tips to help you level up your crafting game and transition from a novice DIYer to a more seasoned pro. Embrace continuous learning. The world of DIY is vast and ever-evolving. Make it a habit to continuously seek out new knowledge and techniques. Explore online tutorials, attend workshops, or join crafting communities to connect with fellow enthusiasts and learn from their expertise. Don't be afraid to experiment. Stepping outside of your comfort zone is where the real magic happens. Try new materials, techniques, or project ideas. Invest in quality tools. As you progress in your DIY endeavors, consider investing in higher quality tools that can enhance your precision, efficiency, and overall enjoyment. Start by gradually upgrading your most frequently used tools, such as scissors, craft knives, and measuring devices. Develop your own style. Experiment with different color palettes, patterns, and materials to create pieces that reflect your individual taste and aesthetic. DIY extends beyond traditional crafting and into the realm of culinary arts, allowing you to create delicious and visually appealing treats. This project combines creativity with culinary skills, resulting in edible masterpieces that are as delightful to look at as they are to devour. We'll be making colorful and flavorful fruit skewers, perfect for parties or a refreshing snack. Materials: assorted fresh fruits such as strawberries, grapes, melon, pineapple, and more. Wooden skewers. Cookie cutters, optional. Instructions: 1. Prepare the fruit. Wash and dry all the fruits thoroughly. Cut larger fruits like melon and pineapple into bite-sized pieces. Use cookie cutters to create fun shapes from melon or pineapple slices. 2. Thread the skewers. Thread the fruits onto the skewers, creating a visually appealing arrangement of colors and textures. You can alternate between different types of fruits or group similar colors together. 3. Get creative with arrangements. Arrange the finished fruit skewers on a platter or serving board. You can fan them out, create a spiral pattern, or arrange them in a colorful rainbow. Tips. To prevent the fruit from browning, toss cut fruits in a mixture of lemon juice and water. For an extra touch of sweetness, drizzle melted chocolate or a simple sugar syrup over the skewers. Serve the fruit skewers with a side of yogurt or whipped cream for dipping. Enjoy your culinary creations. The beauty of DIY lies not only in the final creations, but also in the journey of exploration, experimentation, and continuous learning. Embrace the process, celebrate your successes, and learn from your mistakes. DIY is a lifelong journey of discovery, and there's always something new to learn, master, and create. Cultivate a mindset of curiosity and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to try new techniques, explore different materials, or tackle projects that seem slightly intimidating at first. Each project, regardless of the outcome, presents an opportunity for growth and the development of new skills. Surround yourself with a supportive community of fellow DIY enthusiasts. Share your creations, seek advice, and find inspiration in the work of others. The collective passion and shared knowledge within a crafting community can fuel your creativity and provide invaluable support along your DIY journey. As we conclude our exploration of DIY mastery, remember that the true magic lies within you. You possess the innate creativity, resourcefulness, and passion to transform ordinary materials into extraordinary creations. Embrace the joy of making, unleash your imagination, and let your hands bring your unique vision to life. The world of DIY is brimming with endless possibilities, awaiting your exploration and ingenuity. From upcycled treasures to personalized decor, nature-inspired art to culinary delights, the only limit is your imagination. Embrace the versatility of DIY and discover the satisfaction of creating something beautiful and meaningful with your own two hands. Remember that crafting is more than just following instructions. It's about infusing your personality, style, and creativity into every project you undertake. So gather your supplies, clear a space, and embark on this exciting DIY adventure.